Hi guys, Susan here. Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you today what I have just done with my computer, my desktop computer. I have put on multiple displays, okay? So I've got two different panels here. This was the one that came with my tower. It's a 27-inch Acer. And I just added the LG 22-inch LCD. They're both 1920 by 1080p, so it's like high def. But how you hook up two displays on your machine, and this is I'm only talking specifically about my computer. And my configuration that I have. I have a MSI motherboard, and I'll put all the details in the description box below. MSI motherboard, short name is MS7721. Okay, now with most motherboards, if you have an onboard video processor and you choose to put on a video card, usually it shuts off the onboard. Well, on this particular motherboard it does not. I have the two accessible, and I have a card as well in my machine. It's an AMD Radeon R7 250 series. It's a 2 GB graphics card. And I'm running an HDMI cable from the card to this monitor, my main one. Okay, this is the one I use for games. Like my biggest one right now is Minecraft, which is pretty demanding because it's graphics, right? But I also have the onboard video available to me, and that is AMD Radeon R7 graphics onboard, 1 GB of dedicated video RAM on it, and I've got an HDMI cable going from it to my second screen here. Okay, now how you set up these screens is pretty cool on Windows 10. I'm running Windows 10 Home, by the way. So you go to your start and you scroll down to System or Settings first, then System, and here is where you can change things on your displays. Okay, so once you plug two in, it recognizes that there are two, and it has a button here, and you press it, it says identify. This is one, and this is two. Okay, now you can rearrange your displays just to keep it straight in your head which one's which, and I have one sitting to the right of two. Okay, so I know and the computer knows this is one, this is two, this is how you want to do it. And you scroll down. Scale and layout is 100%. I just left that default. Display resolution is 1920 by 1080, as I said. That's recommended. That's landscape. And multiple displays. Okay, duplicate or extend, show only on one, show only on two. So I've got it as extend these displays. So they're playing together, okay? And how you do that is you press the window key and P, and it pulls up this list on the side here. PC screen only, which would be this. You can duplicate, so the same thing on here will be the same on here. Or you can extend, which is what I've done, is extend it to be both. They share. And the second screen only would be just this one lit up. Okay, so I've got it on extend, connect to a wireless display. You can do all kinds of things in here, but if you just want to get it up and running, then that's all you need to do, is to arrange, and you just pick it up and drag it. But I'm leaving it this way because that's the way my displays are. And if you don't see your second display, then you can hit detect and it will send out the signal to try and find that display for you. Okay, so get out of here. Now, because this is on extend, you can see the picture starts here, but it continues here. Okay, it's not the same picture. It's it's more of this, right? But the beauty of having two screens is that you can multitask. Okay, so if you pull up your browser, I use Chrome, but any browser, you click on the tab and you pull it with your mouse over to the other one. Okay, so now the browser's over here and I can search out whatever. It is active, so we can go YouTube. There. Okay. Okay, so we've got YouTube over here. Okay. Now I want to also maybe fire up my game, because this monitor is dedicated to my game now. It is the more powerful graphic engine, so that's the one I'm going to play on. I am running Optifine, which is a modified engine, which takes a minute to kick in, which is fine with me. The problem is with Minecraft, it takes over your mouse, okay, and it won't release it until you do something. So should I want to get over here with the cursor so I can multitask or do something else, I need to hit Alt-Tab when this game starts. I'll show you. But when the game fires up, and it's just about to start here, it will take control of the mouse because it is hidden in this game. I need the mouse to direct where I'm putting blocks, etc. So it takes priority. And that is fine. See, it's over here. And it goes right across to this side. Okay. Hope you can see that the cursor is moving different places here. Okay. As you can see, the mouse, when I move the mouse, it moves in the world. And it won't release it to go to the other screen. It just keeps spinning me around. Okay? So what you need to do to release it is Alt-Tab, and then it can come over here. Okay? And then you can do your thing over here, and when you're done with the mouse on this display, then you can get back to your game and it's back over here. So this is kind of cool, and as I said, usually if you have onboard graphics and you choose to put a card in, it usually shuts off the onboard, but on this particular motherboard it doesn't. So I have the ability to get a dual display thing going. And this is going to make multitasking so much better and easier for me because I have two things I can have open at the same time. I can keep an eye on my computer here, and I can play my game over here. And then something pops up over here, I just Alt-Tab, and I have the ability to go over here. Okay? And then back here, and back to my game. So anyway, that is all I had for you today. Is I just wanted to share that with you. Is it is possible, especially with this motherboard and this setup. I'm running Windows 10 Home, 64-bit OS. Both screens are 1920 by 1080 resolutions, and I have enough video power to do both screens because this is dedicated to the card and this is dedicated to the onboard. So this is not high intensity graphics, this is. That's all I have for you today, so thanks very much for watching. As I said, I'll put all the details in the description box so you can see what I'm working with and what I'm talking about in regards to a video card, a motherboard, what the specs are, etc., and what I've got going on here. Hopefully this helped you out a little bit. If you're thinking about going to multiple screens, it is very easy to set up with Windows 10. As I said, start, settings, and then system, and then it's all right there. So thanks very much again for watching, and we'll see you.